Hi, I'm Dr. Antonia Johnson. For this speech tip, we will focus on the B and the consonant cluster BR. We will use a word from Father Leslie. He says, "Dear Dr. Antonia, I am a Roman Catholic priest. I was born in Haiti. The word brother is very difficult for me. Can you do a video on this word? Thank you. Sincerely yours, Father Leslie." Yay, Father Leslie! I love the word brother because we are all brothers and sisters in our earthly human family. The easy way to say the B sound is to make your lips stiff and hard and close them tightly. Make a loud voice or sound from your throat. Do the B sound like this. B. You do it. B. For the tricky R after B, say the R as an ER, like in the word paper. For our practice now, for the R, first say the memory word for the clear R. Paper. You do it. Paper. Now say You do it. Now for the consonant cluster BR, say it like this. Brr. Do it as if the BR was spelled BER. Brr. You do it. Brr. Let's do the word. Here are some helpful hints. The O in brother is pronounced as a short vowel U, like in the word up and hush. It is a quick vowel. The TH has a voice. I will do this word first very carefully so you can see the positioning of the lips, tongue, teeth, and jaw. Brother. You do it. Brother. You do it. Brother. Please remember this. We are all brothers and sisters. May we make peace. Thank you for watching this speech tip video. Leave us a suggestion for a future speech tip here on YouTube, or you can ask on Facebook or Twitter. For more information on accent reduction, visit our website at cleartalkmastery.com.